Crash Course, Argentina, Patagonia and the Andes. Introduction. Welcome to the breathtaking region of Patagonia and the Andes in Argentina, a land of awe-inspiring landscapes, rugged mountains, and pristine wilderness. In this crash course, we will embark on a journey through this captivating region, exploring its natural wonders, fascinating wildlife, and exhilarating adventures. From the towering peaks of the Andes to the vast expanses of the Patagonian steppe, Argentina's Patagonia and the Andes offer an unparalleled experience for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Story 1. The Perito Moreno Glacier. One of the most iconic attractions in Patagonia is the magnificent Perito Moreno Glacier. This colossal glacier stretches across the southern arm of Lake Argentino, and its towering walls of ice create a truly mesmerizing sight. Witnessing the thunderous cracks and splashes as chunks of ice calve into the turquoise waters below is a humbling experience that showcases the power and beauty of nature. Story 2. The Fitzroy Mountain. The mythical Mount Fitzroy, located in Los Glaciares National Park, is a mecca for mountaineers and nature lovers. Its jagged peaks pierce the sky, shrouded in mystery and allure. The challenging climb to its summit is reserved for experienced climbers, but even admiring its grandeur from the base is a sight to behold. The changing colors of the granite cliffs during sunrise and sunset create a spectacle that will leave you in awe. Top 12 attractions in Patagonia and the Andes. 1. Torres del Paine National Park. Explore the iconic granite towers and pristine landscapes of this renowned national park in Chilean Patagonia, accessible from Argentina. 2. Ushuaia, known as the end of the world, this southernmost city in the world offers stunning scenery and serves as a gateway to Antarctica. 3. Bariloche. Nestled amidst the Andes, this picturesque town is famous for its scenic lakes, snow-capped peaks, and world-class chocolate. 4. Tierra del Fuego National Park. Discover the rugged beauty of the Land of Fire, and its unique flora and fauna. 5. El Chaltén. Embark on thrilling hikes and witness the breathtaking beauty of Mount Fitzroy in Cerro Torre. 6. Peninsula Valdez. Encounter diverse marine wildlife, including whales, seals, and penguins, in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. 7. Los Alerces National Park. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of this ancient forest, home to pristine lakes and towering alerces trees. 8. Nihuel Huapi National Park. Marvel at the stunning landscapes, crystal-clear lakes, and snow-capped peaks of this expansive national park. 9. Perito Moreno Glacier. Witness the dynamic nature of this colossal glacier and its captivating ice formations. 10. Mount Aconcagua. Stand in awe of the highest peak in the Western Hemisphere, a challenge for experienced mountaineers. 11. The Lake District. Explore the charming alpine villages, picturesque lakes, and breathtaking vistas of this enchanting region. 12. Beagle Channel. Embark on a scenic boat tour through this picturesque waterway, observing wildlife and admiring stunning landscapes. In summary, Patagonia and the Andes in Argentina offer a mesmerizing blend of natural wonders and outdoor adventures. From the awe-inspiring glaciers and towering peaks to the diverse wildlife and pristine national parks, this region is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and explorers. Embrace the spirit of adventure, immerse yourself in the beauty of the great outdoors, and create lifelong memories in this remarkable part of the world. Poem. In Patagonia's rugged land, where mountains touch the sky, and the Andes guard its secrets, where eagles soar up high. From glaciers to the steppe, a wilderness untamed. Patagonia's allure, forever unchained. Oh, Perito Moreno, majestic glacier so grand. With thunderous roars, you captivate the land. Fitzroy's granite spires, towering with might. A challenge to conquer, a breathtaking sight. Torres del Paine, a hiker's paradise untold. Where emerald lakes mirror peaks of gold. Ushuaia, the end of the world's embrace. Where adventure awaits in this remote place. Bariloche's beauty, lakes shimmering in the sun. And Tierra del Fuego, where fire and ice are one. Peninsula Valdez, a wildlife haven so grand. Where creatures of the sea find solace on the sand. Nihuel Huapi's splendor, a tranquil retreat. While Los Alerces whispers, an ancient forest's beat. Aconcagua, a challenge for the bold and brave. Where mountaineers conquer, reaching heights so grave. The Lake District's charm, alpine villages so quaint. And Beagle Channel's waters, a painter's vibrant paint. Patagonia and the Andes, a world of dreams come true. Where nature's masterpiece unfolds, inviting me and you. Song. Verse 1. In Patagonia's realm, where mountains touch the sky, we find a land of wonder, where wild dreams come alive. The glaciers gleam in splendor, the peaks so strong and proud. In Argentina's embrace, we'll sing our praises loud. Chorus. Oh, Patagonia, land of boundless grace. The Andes and their majesty, a sight we can't erase. From Fitzroy's towering peaks to glaciers vast and wide, in Patagonia's heart, our spirits come alive. Verse 2. In Torres del Paine, we'll wander, where beauty knows no end. Ushuaia's call awaits, the world's edge, our dear friend. Bariloche's alpine charm, a chocolate lover's dream. And Tierra del Fuego's fire, a wild and untamed gleam. Chorus. Oh, Patagonia, land of boundless grace. The Andes and their majesty, a sight we can't erase. From Fitzroy's towering peaks to glaciers vast and wide, in Patagonia's heart, our spirits come alive. Bridge. From Peninsula Valdez to Nahua Huapi's shore, adventure lies in wait for seekers to explore. Aconcagua's lofty peak, a challenge for the brave. The Lake District's tranquil peace, our souls forever crave. Chorus. Oh, Patagonia, land of boundless grace. The Andes and their majesty, a sight we can't erase. From Fitzroy's towering peaks to glaciers vast and wide, in Patagonia's heart, our spirits come alive. Asterisk 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 start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.